sleep. I can't stretch my legs. I have to sleep at the end of my bed. There's one who is not here. It's how people. Is here. I have to sprint this on my bed because of the fur. You know the cat sheds the fur. She's here. She's back. She comes. She doesn't sleep on the bed. She sleeps there. So she comes in the morning too. Even these, they don't sleep the whole night here. They comes in the morning, early in the morning, around 5. That's when they come. Good morning, guys. Today I'm introducing my fur babies. This is Panda. Yeah. This is Maya. Maya. Maya, 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 Maya. This is Maya. This is Leslie. Come, the gingers are always calm. I love them. This is Sophie, our last born. This one, I rescued them just some months ago. This is the big man in the house. He's called Whiskers. Whiskers, the gingers are calm, 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 calm. Leslie, and I rescued the mother. The mother gave birth to 3 kitties. I gave out Dr. Maya is the mother of Panda. That one. She's the mother of Panda. So they are all ganked here so that they can go feed them. It is early in the morning. They can't leave the bed until I go. I have to go and feed them. So it's in the morning, it's Saturday. So let's go. So they are all ganked here, eating to be fed for obvious reasons. Maya is always not among them. She likes, she's jumpy. So yes, I have to go and feed them. Maya, 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 come, Maya, Whiskers, Whiskers, Whiskers here. This is Whiskers. You calling? You come. Whiskers, Whiskers. Yes, yes. How are you? Good morning. Good morning, Leslie. Sophie. This is Sophie. Sophie. Leslie. Panther. And they have why say Miss Maya. Maya, what's up today? Are you hungry with me? What's wrong? Why are you behaving like that? You wait. Just wait. know this, they eat together. Sophie doesn't eat together with them because she's slow. If we put her together, they'll eat everything. She won't be able to eat. So I have to separate her. Yes. Sophie. Yes, Sophie. No, Leslie. You know where you're supposed to eat from. Panda. No. So Leslie, come here. Okay, here. Come. You know where you eat from. Sophie eats from here. So that's the entrance. Take everything from her. All right. And I have this here. The fountain. Come on. Yes. Maya, you know where you're supposed to eat from. Where do you want to go and take? After, I have to put for them water. Cats takes water. In fact, when they eat dry food like that one, they have to take a lot of water. So you have to put water for them to drink. My cats, I don't give milk. Cats don't drink normal milk unless lactose-free milk. That's what you can give. So for me, I don't give milk, just water, food. Can give dry food, wet food. Men eat even omena. Those from Kenya knows what is omena. So they drink water. See, Sophie has been drinking. The others will come and drink. After drinking water, I give them some few minutes. Then I open for them. So they are done with the eating. They want to go out. They need to do it. So I will open their nose. So this one, when it goes out, he may come back or once. So sometimes I have to go and look for him. The others will come back on their own. But sometimes he does, other times he doesn't. So I have to. This one scratches. Yeah. I've made this for scratching, but it doesn't. Only Sophie uses this. Leslie and Panda uses that. Maya uses the carrot sometimes. Whiskers uses this here. Look at my set. They have refused to use this. So it's okay. These two doesn't go very far. They roam around the apartment, but the others, they know each and every corner. They're already gone past. Maya goes even past the apartment, but she comes back. Whiskers, only God knows. I have to go and look for him if He doesn't come back by 5:30 or 6. Sophie goes too, but she comes back. She knows her way back. She comes back. My cats are indoor cats. I just let them out when I'm around, sometimes, not always. So they are indoor cats, throughout indoor cats. See, Panda, Leslie, Whiskers, Sophie, Panda, Leslie. Why are you crying? Thank you guys for watching. Subscribe to my YouTube channel, like, comment, and ring the notification bell so that when I upload another video, you'll get the notification. Thank you guys. Bye.